Right now we have another questions, that is absolute form. The question is 2 minus 4 absolute, we can say modulus 2x plus 3 inside this modulus is equal to minus 18. So first of all we want this modulus sign or absolute to be alone. For this we are going to shift this plus 2 right hand side, it comes minus 4 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 18 plus 2 while we shift it right hand side, it gets minus 2 here, minus 4 2x plus 3 minus both are like sign right now, see minus 18 and minus 20. While we had right like sign, then it will be 20, we'll had the magnitude and same sign will put, that is minus. After that we are going to shift this minus 4, or we can say dividing both side by minus 4, 2x plus 3, this is an absolute form, minus 4 we will be shifting right hand side, here it is being multiplied, we can see it will be divided, then remember with minus sign we took it, minus minus will be cancelled, and we know 4 can catch 25 times, it comes here 5. This is the time to take out this expression from the absolute, so we can write it then 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 5 or 2x plus 3 is equal to plus 5. Now we are going to solve this side, 2x shifting plus 3 that side, minus 5 is already there, it will be minus 3 also, 2x is equal to minus 8, shifting 2 because 2 is being multiplied this side, while we shift right hand side it will be divided, 2 can catch it 4 times, x is equal to minus 4. This is one possible answer of x. Come to here, 2x shifting 3 that side, it will be minus 3, 2x take out minus 3, they are unlike sign, see 5 is plus, take out 3 plus 5, it comes 2 only, 2 is being multiplied this side, while we shift that side or right hand side it will be divided, x is equal to 1. We have two solutions right now, or two value of the x, we are going to check them which value is valid or correct, both can be also, as we have two possible answer right now, one value of x is minus 4, we are going to check at x is equal to minus 4, see it comes what, at x is equal to minus 4. Now remember, this is our original question, from beginning we have written it, this is the question we have, this original question we have written again here, we are going to check it. So 2 minus 4 into, in place of x we will write minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 18, then 2 minus 4, it come minus 8 plus 3 minus 18, 2 minus 4, minus 8 and plus 3 we know that comes minus 5, minus 18 this is, then further we can write it like this, minus 4, while we take it out it comes plus, minus 18, then 4 multiplied minus 5, it comes minus 20 here, minus 18, and we know plus 2 minus 20 answer come minus 18. Since this is clear that one answer of x is minus 4, we are going to check it for second now, as we can see second answer of x is coming here 1, we'll check it also whether this can be the answer, at x is equal to 1. Main question we have, this is the main equation, we are going to put value of x here right now, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 18. 2 minus 4 square root, 2 multiply 1 2 comes, plus 3, and further 2 minus 4 inside the modulus or absolute sign 5 is coming, minus 18. 2 minus, we know it comes out, it will be plus, minus 18. Now minus 4 multiplied by 5 comes what? Minus 20, and this is minus 18. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 minus 20, it comes minus 18 as well. This is also minus 18. Hence both solution set prove one solution set was minus 4 and second solution set was only 1. So the solution set is minus 4 and plus 1 is our solution set. Question is over.